Is the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom really a road-legal stealth fighter? Or is it just the wildest marketing trick Lamborghini has ever pulled? And here's the twist. It's not even the fastest thing Lamborghini has built on paper. Welcome back to Carscope. Today, we're looking at the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom, a car that completely replaces the Aventador and rewrites what a modern American supercar buyer should expect. In the US market, this thing goes head-to-head with cars like the Ferrari SF90, McLaren 750S, and even high-end electric performance sedans. But it plays a very different game. Let's start with the design, because this is where the Revuelto makes its statement. Up front, you get razor-sharp Y-shaped LED headlights, aggressive air channels, and a nose that looks engineered for speed rather than beauty. From the side, the proportions are pure Lamborghini, low, wide, and dramatic, with massive wheels and sharp body creases that feel straight out of a stealth aircraft. Around back, the hexagonal exhaust, active rear wing, and full-width lighting make it impossible to ignore. For American buyers, this is loud design without being flashy, aggressive, premium, and unmistakably exotic. Inside, Lamborghini finally gets serious about daily usability. The cabin is fully driver-focused, wrapped in carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather. Seating is low but surprisingly comfortable, even for taller drivers. There's more headroom than you'd expect, and visibility is better than older Lamborghinis. Storage is still limited, this is a supercar, but for weekend trips or daily cruising, it's more usable than people assume. Technology is a huge step forward here. You get a fully digital driver display, a central touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, and even a dedicated passenger screen so your co-pilot stays engaged. The infotainment finally feels modern and responsive. Driver assistance includes adaptive cruise control, lane warnings, parking sensors, and camera systems, features American buyers increasingly expect, even in six-figure cars. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the stealth fighter title actually makes sense. The Revuelto combines a naturally aspirated V12 with electric motors, producing over 1,000 horsepower. Power delivery is instant, smooth, and brutally fast. Acceleration feels less like a car and more like being launched. Yet at highway speeds, it settles down, stable, confident, and surprisingly comfortable. Handling is sharp but predictable, making it easier to drive fast than older Lamborghinis. But here's something people don't talk about enough: running costs. Fuel efficiency improves thanks to the hybrid system, especially in city driving. Maintenance will still be expensive, but compared to previous V12 Lamborghinis, ownership is slightly more reasonable. For American buyers, that matters more than ever. Safety is solid for a supercar. You get multiple airbags, advanced stability systems, traction management, and modern driver assistance tech. It feels planted and secure even at speed, which adds confidence rather than fear. Pricing starts around $600,000, with higher trims and options pushing it well beyond that. What you're paying for isn't just speed, it's exclusivity, engineering, and presence. So let's be honest. Pros: incredible performance, futuristic design, improved interior tech, and surprising daily usability. Cons: extremely expensive, limited cargo space, and still not beginner-friendly for new supercar owners. So who should buy the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom? This car is for enthusiasts who want the last great V12 era blended with modern hybrid tech. It's for buyers who want drama, sound, and presence, not silent electric speed. Final verdict: this isn't just a supercar. It's Lamborghini proving they can evolve without losing their soul. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe to Carscope, and comment below. Would you take this over a Ferrari SF90, or is Lamborghini still the king of emotion?